Welcome back, guys. So right now I've gotten all the themes. No, I've gotten the theme because it's only one theme, and I've gotten the plugins we need from store.billardcreative.com. So right now, let me start using them. So the theme installation first. So you could see this is how I got it from the website, from the store.billardcreative.com. Any other platform you want to get your theme from, be it the official platform or other vendors, you still get it this way. But then it will be in zipped, it will be a zipped folder. But when it's in zip folder, you have to upload in zip folder. But then you need to look inside your folder to ensure that they are, if they are double zip folder inside the theme or inside the file you want to upload, then you have to unzip first. You have to ensure there is no any zip folder inside. If there are zip folder inside, then you have to unzip the first. So let me unzip this for now so you get to see what I'm saying. So when I unzip this, I'm going to extract here. So you're going to see the unzipped version. So this is the unzipped version right now, and we have these two. So this is the original folder, of course, and these are the two inside the original folder. So these now are zipped. So when you check inside this, you see that this is not zipped anymore. So that means this is what you have to install first. Then you now install this as second. So when you look into this, you can install these separately. So you have to install them separately because there are two zip folder inside this. If you install it directly without having to unzip, it won't install. So let's start right away. So now I want to install my theme right now. So I'm going to come to my WordPress dashboard. Then you remembered I told you appearance themes is where you're going to see your theme dashboard, and here is the theme dashboard. And right now I want to add the theme I just downloaded or I just got from store.billardcreative. So I'm going to upload the theme right here. So since it's an external theme, I cannot look for it here. I'll just upload right away. So I'll click on upload theme, then I'll see choose file. I'm going to choose file right now. Then I'm going to come to my downloads, then I'm going to come to my themes, then I'm going to see the two zip file. So I'm going to install the first, I'm going to choose one, then I'm going to install now. So I'm going to wait for that to get installed, then I'll install the second. One is the parent theme and one is the child theme. That's why we are having two zipped folder. It's not that they are separate theme, they are the same themes, but one is the parent theme, which the child needs to function through the parent theme. So that's how we're having double folder. So in some cases, your teams might have a parent theme and a child theme, and in some cases, it might be a direct theme folder. So whichever way, I've told you how to get to know how to go about the installation. Once you see double zip folder in your zipped folder, you should know that it has a parent and child theme. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm trying to install this very one for the first one we're installing. Then I'll proceed to install the second. So let's wait for this to get installed right now. So right away you could see I've been able to install this theme. So all you have to do now is to activate, but before you activate, make sure you install the second. So I'll come back to my themes right now. As you can see, I have Sway right here. So let's install the child theme. All I have to do is to add theme again. Then this time around I need to upload the second. So I'm going to choose file, then I'm going to upload the second theme right here. So I just did that and I'll install now right away. So this is the second theme I'm trying to install. I've installed the parent theme, and now this is the child theme I want to install so that it's going to be dependent on the parent theme. So let's wait for this to get installed as well. Okay, so now basically Sway, I don't think Sway needs the other theme because it says failed. So let's check this out. Let's see if this could do everything we want to do. So right now all I have to do is to activate this particular Sway. So I'll activate it right now, and I just did. So this is me activating it. Then we can go on to customize it. So let's see what this has done to the website layout. So when you check this directly, you see that your website layout has changed from what it was before. So right now I could delete this. Just keep one theme on your website. So I could delete that right now, and all I have now is Sway. So that is how to install this right away. So I just install this theme. The second one was of no use because it's not, I thought it was a child theme, so it's not installing. So I believe one is the only one. So we are going to leave it at that right now. So in the next lesson, we're going to talk about installing plugins. So we have some couple of plugins we want to install. I'll just show you how to go about installing plugins, and we're going to install the important ones right now that we're going to use. So the first important one is a page builder. I'm going to tell you how to install it in the next lesson. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.